The first step in installing PVR Gorilla Tag mods is downloading and installing the Monk Mod Manager. This is a useful program that you can use on your PC to install Gorilla Tag mods. Click on the Monk Mod Manager exe link under assets to download the installer. Link is in description. After Monk Mod Manager is downloaded, launch it to start the installer. You might get a prompt like the one you see here if the installer can't find where your Gorilla Tag launcher is. That's alright. If you run Gorilla Tag through Steam, click OK and then find and select Gorilla Tag exe at. If you run Gorilla Tag through the Oculus app, then you can find and select Gorilla Tag exe at. Whether Monk Mod Manager found the path automatically, or you had to find it yourself, it will start up and you'll see a menu with a bunch of checkboxes. Scroll up and down the mods available and check whichever mods you want to install. Then hit Install Update in the bottom right corner, and in a couple of seconds the mods will be installed. This example here shows how to install the Gorilla Cosmetics mod.